Hello everyone, I'm Farhan and today we're going to learn about sentence types and functions. First, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that express a complete idea or meaning. It can be used in statement, question, command, and exclamation. But firstly, we have to know what a clause in this context. A clause contains a subject and a verb. There's two types of clause, independent clause and dependent clause. What is the difference between independent and dependent clause? Independent clause is a complete thought and can stand alone, while in the other hand, dependent clause is an incomplete thought and cannot stand alone. And then there's also something that called as subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction consists with after, before, because, although, since, when, while, if, unless, and lastly, though. Now there's four types of sentence. First we have simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. First, simple sentence. Simple sentence contains one independent clause. Simple sentence also consisted of one subject and one predicate. Sometimes one subject and another subject plus one predicate, or the reverse. For example, Johnny rode his bike to school. I wash and dry my clothes. My parents and I go to Jakarta. Secondly, we have compound sentence. Compound sentence contains two independent clauses joined by fanboys. What is a fanboys? Fanboys stand for and, nor, but, yet, or so. For examples, I like apples, but my sister loves bananas. I wanted to go swimming, but it started to rain. She loves coffee, but her sister prefers tea. And now we have complex sentence. Complex sentence contains one independent clause and one or more dependent clause. A complex sentence will use at least one subordinate conjunction. And now we have compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence contain two or more dependent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. For example, although it was raining, we went outside and we played soccer. Because she practiced every day, she improved her skill and she won the competition. When the movie ended, we went home, but our friends stayed longer. Simple sentence have a few functions, but mostly it is function as direct statement, list, direction, and question. And longer sentence have different function as combine ideas, compare or contrast, cause and effect, extend and reasoning. And that's all for function. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.